Of a 1997 Ford F-150. 1997. Can you believe that? So it's broken, it doesn't work, and so I have to replace the bulb and the tail lamp. And when you make turns with this vehicle, only the front turn signal works, and it blinks very rapidly fast. So that's how you know one of the signs that you have a malfunctioning tail lamp. But in this case, this is broken, so we're going to replace this whole entire unit. And along with this is my tool set, cheap tool set. I bought this for 30 bucks. And there's 2 screws on here. There's one there and one here. I will probably get this out, and this will be done with a 5/16 socket. So let's give it a shot. All right, so here we go. Loosen that one out. One out. Let's get the other one out. Yeah, there's two little placeholders right there, screw holders. So as soon as I get the other one popped off, it'll be good. There we go. There we go. Alright, so I took the other one out. Brand new, spanking brand new, has a lens covering on it. And this is an aftermarket part. And it looks like stock. This is stock OEM Ford. It actually has a part number on there. But those are expensive, and I don't want to throw away over $80 just to get tail lamps. This costed $24, and it's by TYC, aftermarket, and it looks like, for the most part, it is up to spec. And make sure it's the right application. Make sure it's actually for the right passenger side. Make sure it has these little placeholders, and then these right here. So we're good to go. And this is an easy install. Well, I pushed down the brake. I have it brake pushed down right now, and it's not on. So we have to replace it. The other one works on the other tail lamp, so there we go. It's easy. The part number for this is 3157. Should come on as soon as I put this bulb in. There we go. It's working. Now we need to know if this turn signal is actually going. So with this same bulb, it does work. It is emitting a turn signal. And then this is the backup light, so that's not something to worry about. But I will check it anyways, just to make sure before I waste my time putting this all back together. And it's working. So it's a little dusty, but I'll probably just replace it too. And then our turn signal is working, so good to go. Let's connect our bulbs in. Remember these little indents right here, they're fitted in such a way that it can only go a certain way. So there you go. See the configuration? It's the same thing as this. So try to follow that. Twist and turn. Same thing with this one. Twist and turn. Make sure it doesn't come back out. And then put them back in. Put the entire lens back in there. Alright, with all of them lined up in, remember There's 2 hoses here, 2 hoses down there. May have to tap it just a little bit, not too hard, because you don't want to break it again. But that looks good, and if you did it right, see how the drill hole is lined in with the chassis hole, and yeah, so you should be able to put your screws in. So there we go. Turn signal's working, and we have our backup light working. So it's a complete success. This only takes about 5 minutes. It took me a lot longer because I'm filming this, and I'm trying to do it right, you know. Now look at this. Small details. And there's no weather stripping that comes with this, so most cars come with it, but this one doesn't for some reason. So there you go, brand new. Thank you very much, man. This is the bot. Check me out on my live streams.